Winter is coming fast, and nobody likes having cold, wet toes. I've been on the hunt for the best winter snow boots for men, and I didn't just look at pictures online. I actually picked up the top 5 contenders to see which ones keep the slush out and the heat in. If you're tired of slipping on ice or dealing with soggy socks, stick around because I'm breaking down exactly which pair is worth your cash. Product number 1, Aliexpress Men's Winter Waterproof Insulated Shell. Let's kick things off with the Aliexpress Winter Waterproof Boots. The first thing I noticed when I pulled these out of the box is how easy the entry system is. It's got a drawstring and a Velcro ankle strap, so I wasn't hopping around on one foot trying to jam my heel in. It just slides right on. Walking around, that cushioned footbed feels pretty decent, kind of like a thick slipper but with a tough shell. I tested the waterproofing by stomping through some puddles, and the seam-sealed outsole actually held up. My socks stayed dry. They claim it handles all cold weather, and while the insulation is toasty, I wouldn't wear them on a sub-zero expedition. One heads up though, check the size chart carefully. The fit was a little unexpected compared to my normal sneakers. If you need something quick and easy for running errands in the slush, these get the job done without overcomplicating it. Product number 2, Aliexpress Men's Winter Mid-Calf Snow Boot. Then I tried the Aliexpress Mid-Calf Boots. Immediately the lining grabbed my attention. It's this fine artificial short plush that wraps all the way around your foot. It feels incredible against the skin. Honestly, it's like wearing a warm hug. The outer material is a waterproof Oxford cloth, which is softer and more flexible than the hard rubber shells on some other boots. Since they are slip-ons with an elastic band, I was worried they might feel loose, but they actually hug the ankle pretty well. I took these out for a long walk with the dog, and the shock-proof sole made a big difference on the pavement. They are super lightweight. I think these are the casual day winner. They aren't for heavy construction work, but for walking the dog, fishing, or just chilling in the cold, they are super comfortable and keep the freeze out. Product number 3, NORTIV 8 Men's Waterproof Winter Snow Boots. Moving on to the NORTIV 8 Tall Boots. When I held these, they felt substantial. These are for when the snow is actually deep. They have a 3-layer warming system with 200 G of thinsulate, and they claim to work down to degrees. I stood outside in freezing temps for a while, and I believe it, my toes didn't go numb. The grip on the TPR outsole is rugged. I felt stable walking over uneven, icy patches. A nice touch I noticed is the reflective strip on the back, which is great for visibility if you're shoveling the driveway at night. The drawstring toggle makes them easy to secure, but you definitely need to size up. They run tight. If you need a serious boot for snow shoveling or deep winter play where you need that extra height protection, this is a solid pick. Product number 4, NORTIV 8 Men's Insulated Waterproof Construction. Hiking now, if you want something that looks less like a moon boot and more like a hiker, look at this other option from NORTIV 8. This is their construction hiking snow boot. It's got a totally different vibe. It feels more agile. The windproof synthetic toe cap is a nice addition. I accidentally kicked a chunk of ice and my toes didn't feel a thing. Like the tall version, it has that 200 G insulation, so it handles the cold well. But my favorite part is the removable insole. If your feet sweat or you step in a deep puddle by accident, you can actually take the insole out to wash and dry it. The rubber outsole is flexible, making it way easier to drive or crouch down compared to stiffer boots. This is the right choice if you're active, doing outdoor work, or skiing and need mobility. Product number 5, Columbia Men's Bugaboot III. Finally, we have the heavy hitter, the Columbia Bugaboot III. As soon as you pick this up, you can feel the quality difference. It's got a waterproof leather upper and an injection molded shell. It feels bomb-proof. I really put their Omnitech to the test. Usually, waterproof boots make my feet sweat like crazy, but these actually breathe. I kept them on for hours and my socks weren't damp from sweat, which is huge for staying warm. The traction is aggressive, probably the best grip of the bunch. It's got 200 grams of insulation, so the warmth is there, but the midsole cushioning makes the ride smooth. This isn't a cheap throwaway boot. If you want something that will last you multiple winters and handles serious alpine conditions, this is the investment piece you want to grab. So there you have it. Whether you need a casual slip-on for the driveway or a heavy-duty boot for the trails, one of these will save your feet this winter. I've dropped links to all of them in the description below so you can check the current prices. Thanks for watching and stay warm out there.